Hey guys, we're back here again. Got the second magazine right here. We'll be testing that. I got A-Rons in this magazine. This is the Toth Tool manufacturing company magazine. This is the American version of the Circle 10 magazine for reference points. I did remove the Toth follower in here and put a US made Arsenal magazine follower in here for reference points because the Toth one, it looked like it was warped on the top where the follower was on it, so I swapped it out and I put the US made follower from Arsenal in here, so we'll test it out. I got the Golden Bear ammunition, 2012 ammunition, so we'll run through a gun, 8 rounds, and see how it functions. Locks in secure. It has a slight wobble side to side, but I can't do anything about that. So it has a teeny bit of wobble, maybe about a couple millimeters sideways. So we'll check it out, see how it feeds, and see how it functions. Okay, good stands. Magazine fed fine, no problem with it whatsoever. The ammunition I was using here, let me get it again here. Alright, good old cheap, cheap Russian shit. It's Golden Bear ammunition. This is the 123 grain full metal jacket, 8 rounds of it, and it's made in 2012. So this stuff's about 8 years old. It's been sitting in my basement for about 8 years. So ammunition functioned fine. This is the brass plated casing stuff right here, so it functioned fine. No problem with it whatsoever. So run great. And the Toth magazine ran perfectly fine. No hiccups with it whatsoever. Fed fine, didn't have any jams or fails to feed. So the magazine seems to work okay in my gun right there, guys. Mine's the Sam7 SF Arsenal gun right here. So the Toth Tool magazine, the Bulgarian Circle 10 American Cologne magazine, worked fine.